And I ain't gonna wash no windows, and I ain't gonna feed no cows. This woman's liberation, honey's gonna start right now, and you'll say, hey Loretta, I love you more than my Irish setter. Hey Loretta, don't leave me alone. No? Hi, I'm Rajiv, and today we're going back to basics. Washing windows, something that every grown-up needs to know how to do. So I've used the blue commercial window glass cleaner stuff. I've used the vinegar in the newspaper. I've used like glass wipes, and this by far for me is the most effective way of getting a completely streak-free surface for the windows, for mirrors, for glass. It's just so great. All you need is a bucket of some warm water and just a very little bit of cornstarch. So the cornstarch goes in the water, you mix it around, you use one rag to swish the water around and to have like the wet solution go on the glass, and then you use a dry rag to wipe it off. If you put too much cornstarch in the water, there will be a film on the glass. And if you don't put enough cornstarch in the water, then it won't wick away the grease from the glass. So you need the right amount of cornstarch for about a gallon of water. So I have this bucket filled to about here. I'm only gonna put in a 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch. So just that much cornstarch. Into the warm water, stir it around, and really mix it in, because you don't want any lumps or clumps of cornstarch to get onto the cloth, because those will transfer to the glass. So this, simple, easy, cheap, this is the magic solution that is really gonna work on the windows. Now, I'm gonna take my little rag, put it in here, swish it around, and now we can move over to the window, which really needs a cleaning because it's dirty. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how dirty this is. Look at this. Look at this filth. There's a lot of dirt on these windows, and most of the dirt is actual, like, real grime. I'm gonna take that off of the window first by just using this wet cloth. Now, I'm switching to my dry cloth. My dry, clean cloth, and I'm just gonna polish all the water off. And because the sun's shining on the window, it's helping to dry the window quickly. But you want to do this and check and make sure there are no streaks. And that looks really good actually, already. I'm just gonna also, while I'm out here, clean this sill, which is really filthy. Ugh, just one window and look at how nasty that water is. Nasty! Nasty water. Oh, there's some schmutz on there. The standards are slipping. That's what Gigi says. When I visit Gigi, sometimes she will be having coffee. Gigi's my friend from Ireland. We'll be having coffee in her kitchen, and she'll just be looking up at the ceiling, and she'll see cobwebs, and she'll go, oh dear. Don't look up, darling, there's cobwebs. The standards are slipping. So now I say that. The standards are slipping. Hear that squeak? That's where squeaky clean comes from. You have to use the dry cloth until it's dry. Because if you stop wiping while it's still wet, those streaks are gonna stay on there. You wanna clean the screen, because if you clean your nice windows and just put this dirty screen back in there, if there's heavy rain, the rain is gonna come through the screen and just splatter dirt back onto the glass. So that's why if you wanna do this properly, if you wanna do it thoroughly, clean the screens as well. So I take the screens out, and you can use this cornstarch water or you can use clean soapy water. And you can see it is dirty. So rinse that out. I'm gonna flip the screen over and I'm gonna do the other side. No chemicals, no paper towel, not even pennies to make what's in here. The best way to wash windows. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, that's fine. But please subscribe for more videos just like this one. Bye.